Mary, and a litany that's based on the events of the gospel, that sees her as fulfilling and carrying out the actions of acceptance, of visitation, of raising a child, the reality of her life in Nazareth. What would be the life of a working woman at that time? See her in her real life, because that's where the appeal lies. If we talk about the action of Mary, we start with the action of her reality, her lived experience. Then we can move to things like the apparitions, what she achieves through those incredible visits to the face of compassion that comes through the apparition of Mary when the Indian people were persecuted, when she came to a very poor Indian at Guadalupe, or the healings that we see through Lourdes, the call to end war that we find in Our Lady of Fatima. Yes, there is a place for those in our lives, but we continue on with the Mary of history, the Mary of the scriptures, the Mary of ecumenism, the Mary that can be accepted by our brothers and sisters of other Christian denominations. The Mary who speaks to the women of today, because a woman of yesterday can certainly speak through her life to the women of today, the anthropological dimension that was called for by Pope Paul VI in his wonderful document, Marialis Cultus, which is the foundation for the Mary that will speak for action in our times.